Looking for the best camera drones in 2025? Whether you're into travel, content creation, or just love flying, I've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best camera drones of 2025, offering great video quality, smart features, and solid value for money. Drone tech is evolving fast, and choosing the right one means better shots, smoother flying, and more creative freedom. If this helps, like the video, subscribe for more tech picks, and drop a comment with your favorite drone. Number 5, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a premium drone designed for creators who want top-tier camera performance without paying for extra features they might not need. It uses the same 4/3-inch 20MP Hasselblad camera sensor as the more expensive Mavic 3, capable of shooting 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. The adjustable f/2.8 f/11 aperture lets you adapt to different lighting conditions, and image quality is excellent with rich colors and plenty of dynamic range. You also get up to 46 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensors, and DJI's O3 Plus transmission system for a stable connection up to 15 kilometers. In actual use, the Mavic 3 Classic delivers incredibly smooth, stable flights and captures sharp, cinematic footage. Its obstacle avoidance works well, and flight modes like Active Track, Quick Sorts, and Hyperlapse add creative options. The main trade-off? Unlike the Mavic 3, it doesn't have a telephoto zoom lens, so no far-off close-ups. It also lacks Apple ProRes support, which video professionals might miss. Still, for most creators, this drone hits the sweet spot between performance and price, with a starting price around $1,399. If you care about camera quality and flight reliability but don't need dual cameras, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is one of the smartest buys you can make. Number 4, DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3 is one of DJI's most versatile mid-range drones, offering serious camera performance in a portable, foldable design. It features a dual camera setup with two 1/1.3-inch 48MP sensors, one wide-angle and one 3x medium telephoto. Both can shoot 4K video at up to 100 frames per second and take 48MP still photos, giving creators plenty of flexibility for capturing landscapes or tight, cinematic zoom shots. It supports omnidirectional obstacle sensing and offers an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes per battery. DJI's O4 video transmission system ensures a stable, low-latency connection up to 20 kilometers. In real-world use, the DJI Air 3 flies smoothly, handles moderate wind well, and captures crisp, detailed footage. The two cameras make it easy to switch between wide, immersive shots and punchy, medium telephoto framing without sacrificing image quality. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track 360 degrees, waypoints, and master shots help automate complex moves for polished video with minimal effort. Downsides? It weighs about 720 grams, so registration is required in most countries. Also, while it's cheaper than the Mavic 3 lineup, the DJI Air 3 is one of the best value drones available today for creators who want pro-quality video, reliable flight performance, and smart features in a travel-friendly package. Number 3. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro takes aerial imaging to a new level, blending professional-grade performance with user-friendly controls. One of the biggest highlights is its upgraded 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, delivering crisp, ultra-detailed 5.7K video and 20MP stills with remarkable dynamic range. Low-light shots are noticeably cleaner thanks to improved noise handling, while the new adaptive HDR video mode keeps highlights and shadows perfectly balanced in complex scenes. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system is now faster and smarter, offering real-time route adjustments even in tight spaces. DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission provides a stable, low-latency feed up to 20 kilometers, giving pilots supreme confidence whether flying recreationally or on pro shoots. Battery life is another win here, with up to 45 minutes of flight time per charge, making it one of the longest-lasting drones in its class. The Mavic 4 Pro also introduces automated subject tracking enhancements through ActiveTrack 6.0, keeping fast-moving objects locked in focus even against complex backgrounds. Creators will love the enhanced MasterShots 2.0 feature, which sequences cinematic movements into polished clips with minimal effort. While its premium pricing positions it firmly for serious enthusiasts and professionals, the Mavic 4 Pro justifies every cent with performance and reliability that easily outpace the competition. If you're looking for a flagship drone built for both creative freedom and absolute control, this might be DJI's finest offering yet. Number 2, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K proves that you don't need a bulky, high-end drone to capture stunning aerial footage. Compact, lightweight, and weighing under 249 grams, it's travel-friendly and exempt from many drone regulations in most countries. The headline upgrade is its 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, offering crisp, detailed footage far superior to earlier Mini models. Colors look vibrant, and the footage holds up well even in lower light thanks to the improved image processing. Its 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures rock-steady shots, whether you're panning over landscapes or following moving subjects. Flight time is impressive for its size, clocking in at 31 minutes per charge, and DJI's OcuSync transmission system delivers a reliable HD video feed up to 10 kilometers away. Smart features like quick shots and return to home make it accessible for beginners while still giving seasoned pilots useful tools for quick, cinematic results. While it lacks the advanced obstacle avoidance sensors of pricier models, careful flying makes it a capable performer in open and moderately complex environments. At its affordable price point, the Mini 4K is an ideal choice for travel vloggers, casual content creators, or anyone stepping into the drone world without compromising on 4K quality. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is easily one of the most impressive ultralight drones on the market, offering pro-level features in a package that weighs under 249 grams. Despite its small size, it's packed with an advanced 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K per 100 frames per second video and capturing 48 MP still photos. The image quality is superb, with sharp details, natural colors, and excellent low-light performance. DJI's true vertical shooting is a fantastic addition for social media creators, allowing vertical 4K content without cropping. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system is a huge upgrade from the previous Mini models, providing reliable protection from every angle. In the air, the Mini 4 Pro feels incredibly stable and responsive, with up to 34 minutes of flight time per battery in DJI's new OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, offering an ultra-smooth, low-latency 1080p live feed at ranges up to 20 kilometers, intelligent flight modes like ActiveTrack 360 degrees, MasterShots, and Waypoint flights give both new and experienced pilots powerful creative tools to capture dynamic, cinematic footage. While it comes at a slightly higher price than other Mini series drones, its feature set easily justifies it. The Mini 4 Pro is perfect for travelers, vloggers, and content creators seeking flagship performance in a sub-250G category, making it one of the smartest buys in DJI's current lineup. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best camera drone of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite drone or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.